everybody. Okay, so today's a pretty cool day, not gonna lie. You can get the Genesis 9 Starter Essentials. Okay, okay. Let's go ahead and see what we got in here. Anatomy, eyebrows, cards. Okay, nice. Fiber style and card style. Nice. Okay, okay, okay. Eyelashes, eyes, which are separate now. Teeth, which is separate now. T is separate. All right. Then you get your figures. Genesis 9, 11, Genesis 9. Let's try loading up that Jimble Dan. See what it's like. Okay, this is pretty cool, huh? Huh? Oh, very cool. Come on. Okay, okay, okay. So now we've got the Genesois ne. Nice. Okay, so I guess if we go here, eyes look automatic. I don't know what the hell. Effects, detail, strength, flexulation, dilate. This is awesome. Shoulders, chest size. Hello. Hello. Nipple. Okay. Nipple masculine. Okay. Feminine. Nothing yet. Oh, you can add stuff. Okay. Proportions, proportion, asymmetry. Oh, look at all these asymmetry dials. That is cool, man. Yes, dude. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. Eyelashes. So much optimization for these things. Mouth realism. We'll get to that. Okay, let's just go put on like a. I've got the hair. So they give you them pixie hair, which, okay, if that don't show up, okay, if that don't show up, let's see if this works here. So, preview PR hairs on and tessellation. Just oh no, that's way too much. That's way too much. God damn it. Okay, that load. That's probably gonna take 8 years because I messed up. I'll pause it here and come back. And we're back. Okay. So I put that viewport line tessellation and went to 13. It took forever to do that. Anyway, what you got to do is manually enter it, okay? So you don't mess it up. Put on to 2, put preview hairs on, and you'll see them hairs. There's them hairs. Very beautiful hairs. You have beautiful hairs. Right. So we're going to go to Genesis 9 again, go to materials, and okay, this is the bikini, this is the hair. Cool, cool, cool. Eyebrows transparency, thick, thin. This is awesome, man. Eyelashes, short, long. All right, this is cool. Feminine skin. Let's put on that feminine skin. And there we go. Very nice. Okay, I don't know what we have here. Feminine skin, so you can choose different colors. That's awesome. That is cool, man. That is cool. Look at this. Look at the details. Let's not get too close. Damn, that is cool, man. That is cool. Blah. Blah. That's awesome. Cool. Eyes. You have beautiful eyes. Can change them as different colors. Needs to load everything. Okay. But okay, there we go. Awesome. Different eyes, different male skins. This is cool. This is awesome, actually. Different scleras. This is very cool. Right, so let's wait for that. This is fantastic. Right, tear ducts. Let's see. Tear mat. Does that, do we have to go into that just to see here? Tear. Click on the materials. You have beautiful eyes. I don't see a change in the whatchamacallity. Tears. I don't see a material on that. Yeah, it's just that. Okay, so they come out kind of weird. I suppose when you render it, it looks better. Let's have a look there, Mike. All right. Damn! of them eyes. Okay, so that looks good. That look good. That look good. That's looking pretty cool. Right, so okay, so you'll see them a little oddly shaped in the filament, whatever, but they're fine. I suppose they gotta fix this for the filament because some people like to do their renders out here, but let's see. So that's the materials, them poses. This is awesome, man. Look at this. So you can fix up the hair. This is pretty damn cool. Different shapes to the hair, I guess. Beautiful. You have beautiful hair. So that's pretty cool. And then you've got poses, which is nice. I mean, look how many poses they give you. This is damn sweet. Okay, they give you a cool bunch of poses. That is pretty damn cool. Damn pretty cool. They actually give you quite a lot of poses. That's nice, man. That's really cool. I mean, that's something they probably didn't have to do. So kudos on them. That's, they could have sold these off like a usual company, But damn, they actually give you a lot of cool poses. So kudos. Kudos on that. That's nice. All of this is free. All of this is free. Sure, you probably need to tweak a couple of them. Sure, but kudos on the poses, man. That's awesome. I suppose let's put some form of clothes on this thing just because it's naked. Let's do this and let's do this. Okay. So okay, you just get the two bunch of clothes. Okay, that's fine. It's cool, bruh. It's cool. Head split deformer. Now what the hell is that? Double click to load. Let's see what this does. Which of the items that are fit to Genesis 9 would you like to also apply a deformer to? That is cool. A deformer. That's nice. Okay. So you can mess with different. That is cool. You can mess with different things. You can apply deformers to different objects. That's cool, and it's a nice utility that you can do it all at once. I mean, you can always go here, create a deformer here. But that's a nice little tool, just a nice little script to get you started on everything. Cool. Right, so what else we got? Figures, that's it. Right, so I suppose where do you turn them into them womans and them mans? Where do you change that? Is it shaping? Actor, full body proportion, full body. I don't like this. How do you, oh, there we go. There it is. Boom. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. People. See? People. And you can change this to man and female. It's not very quick, though. I mean, I'm running a beast of a machine. Maybe it's because everything's still attached to it. I don't know. But there we go. Base masculine, base feminine. There we go. That's awesome, man. That's awesome. Head, proportion, feminine head, base masculine, asymmetry, which is awesome. Eyes. This is quite crazy, man. This is really cool. You have beautiful eyes. This is just fantastic. I love the way the boobs just bam. Okay, don't look at them, people. It's just a 3D model, okay? No need to go mental, okay? We're all adults here, okay? But this is fantastic. Do we have nose? Okay, there's no expressions or anything. Asymmetry, shaping, posing. Let's go to posing. See if they've got anything for the Janochois. Arms left. Okay, this is cool, man. They've got everything. They honestly have everything. Clench left. Come on, clench it. Clench it! I don't know why those boobs keep sticking out, but they do. Right, I mean, you've got everything here. This is absolutely awesome. So this update for the Genesis 9, we'll get on to Victoria soon. Once she's released, I still don't see her, but this is absolutely awesome, man. As like a free bundle to the Genesis 9. Fantastic. We'll mess around with it a lot more, but go get it. It's free. It's awesome. And it's wicked. Teeth, all that kind of stuff. Do we have mouth open? Let's just see here. Mouth open. You got sticky power. I mean, this is This is starting to become quite pro now. Mouth open. Where would we even find that mouth? Mouth. Where do we find it here? Mouth. Mouth close. Okay. Open. Come on, baby. How do you open the damn mouth? Mouth close. Don't want the mouth closed. Mouth is already closed. Why is it running so crappy though? Like, what's up with that? Let's just see if we've got it too high. You know, do we still change it over here? The resolution. So base, view sub D. I mean, no, it's on tiny. It's fine. So let's go back to mouth. I want to open the mouth dimple, mouth funnel. Ah, there we go. Okay, maybe it was just that. Mouth left and right. This is awesome, man. This is really damn. And all of this, usually companies would try and siphon this off as like a in-app purchase or all that kind of crap. 5 cents for this, 10 cents for this. Then they could have done that. So kudos to Daz for giving you all of this stuff. It's wicked. It's wicked. Different mats for the teeth. They've given a lot. Masculine skin. Kudos. This is a fantastic update so far. Look, man, this is just a general overview, and sure, I've wrecked it completely here, but this is just a general overview of what this can do, what this is, what you get with it, and they've done a good job. Well done. Well done on this. This is wicked. I cannot wait to see Victoria today. And let's see what she can do. Let's see what she can do. But straight off the bat, no lighting, whatever. Things are looking good. Things are looking real good. Look at those lips. Look at those teeth. They've done a good job here. Like I say, I need to get more into it, a lot more into it. And we will. We'll do a longer video. Fine. This is just a brief overview of what you get, what you can do. But damn, man, they've done a fantastic job. And they've given you cool stuff. I'm happy about that. Sure, there's a lot of things, whatever. But for this particular thing, they've given a nice amount of free stuff. This is all free. You can straight away go ahead, start with it, and it's fantastic. Let's see what Victoria's like. All right, guys, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.